Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Woolstone green metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Woolstone green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. You of course also have a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it, and once we open up the boot you were able to see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Located in the boot, you are also able to find your deployable tow bar controls. This allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls, Android and Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps listen to your own music. You of course also have your 4x4 mode, along with your terrain response info drive modes, making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Along with this, you are also able to either deploy or stow away the tow bar, even from within the comfort of the cabin. You also have an off-road feature on your 360 view camera. The camera allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And paired with this, you also have a dual zone climate control, ensuring both you and your passenger travelling in the front are able to do so comfortably. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE in Woolstone Green. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.